Final prices of Humaima Evaporation Ponds. In order to assist JV take the right decision, a deep risk assessment has been done. Moreover, specifications were unified to all subcontractors to ensure fair competition. A mix of risk assessment tools has been used. As much as possible, tools have been used to minimize the uncertainty surrounding the probable results, which were based on risk assessment assumptions. And the assumptions were categorized into facts and assumptions. And the analysis methodology was based on Pareto rule, bell curve, Delphi technique, risk metrics, with the negative risk matrix and the positive risk matrix, and the SWOT analysis, as well as the 33-point estimate 6 sigma. SWOT analysis of using unexperienced subcontractor resulted in minus 9.2 points, which means that the potential high risk is most likely. Risk matrix was used to quantify potential risks. Each potential risk had its points as a function of multiplying risk impact by risk probability. Risks were categorized in positive and negative. Three-point estimate, pessimistic, most likely, and optimistic, was calculated to estimate the lowest risk impact and highest risk impact. The Six Sigma tool estimated the lowest impact of 2.8 million and highest impact of 9.4 million due to the technical weakness of the unexperienced subcontractor. The decision tree tool showed a potential harmful impact of 12.7 million in case of using unexperienced subcontractor, while it drops to 800,000 in case of the experienced one.
The previous show highlighted the uncertainty and risks that may or may not happen, but this section puts in front of us hard facts about prices and costs, which were already documented and offered. JV has taken a decision of reopening the bid due to arrival of an offer less than awarded price with 1.8 million, and another negotiation round was launched. Afkar Najd subcontractor reduced the price again with 629,000, while others failed to catch up with it. Accordingly, it is on the top.
Since the negotiation activity started, supply chain emphasized the relentless focus on submitting a decision support tool to JV decision makers in order to balance efficiency with responsiveness. To get aligned with JV strategy, a never-ending search for perfection drove us to raise the bar and set ever higher expectations. Upon applying a score model for reliability of subcontractor, we have communicated and discussed a strategic partnership relation that is based on mutual trust with key subcontractors, which will present its results in the next slide.
Verifying offers process detected that two offers were matching with project scope specifications and one is completely not. Afkar Najd has modified and changed the scope specs in its new offer. Immediately contacted them requesting them to adhere to the scope specifications, but they totally refused. A meeting between Afkar Najd and technical department with supply chain has been organized, but among our astonishment, they declared that the price they gave us was based on specifications change. And in case we need the same specifications, the price has to go up at least 1.5 million. The next day, we received their reply officially that the price of complying to the specifications will be 21,314,600 612, not 19 million.8, which clearly indicates that price reduction initially was a sort of poor quality trick. One day after, Afkar Najd sent us a mail message that they will consider the last price of 19.8 million, including all of our specifications. Ahalina as well replied that they are committed to the required specifications, but they cannot go any more with any sort of discounts. Constructions replied as well. Atterfield and Humaima Group, with its unique, standardized, high-tech operations, is having the pleasure to fully comply to all technical specifications required by you.
In this slide, we will explore supply chain negotiation added value with regard to project costing and quality objectives. So, who's the winner? And now, who is the winner? Afkar Najd Mighty Dozer crushed all previous prices with 19,891,562 riyal, putting its price on top of all but with the lowest technical profile. Ahalina, unfortunately, switched off the Mighty Dozer, taking its key with 19,727,131 riyal, sending the Mighty Dozer to the workshop. And out of nowhere jumps construction company with this letter. We are eager to build partnership with a group like Abu Nayyan in all possible fields. So we have decided to go with 0% margin, hoping such sacrifice would ring a bell at your side in future business. Accordingly, the price is 19,700,000 riyal. Closing Ahalina's workshop with Mighty Dozer locked inside, while offering the highest technical profile and the lowest price ever achieved. And in the end, we hope that our efforts satisfy JV, while we promise to continue doing our best in the future. Thank you.